How to save locations on Google Maps. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So to save locations on Google Maps, and this video tutorial work for the both Android and iOS, so you can watch this video until the end. So firstly, what you need to do to save location, you can search the location that you want to save in the search box. So let's see, I want to search the location, this location, and you can see the all the suggestions. Click on the suggestions here, and from this here you can see the your location is indicated with the red sign, and you can choose the any of the location that you want to save. So let's say I want to save this location. Click on these locations, and in the most bottom you can see this uh, pop-up menu, and in under this name of this place you can see the directions, call and save. Click on the save button, and it will be bring you to this page. Here you can choose the favorites, want to go or a start place. So you have to simply click on this box in the right side of this all these options, and you can add a note about this place, and you can click on the done. Or you can also choose the new list by clicking on the new list in the top, and you can add a new private list, or you can give the description. You can also tap the list type. You can choose the list type, private, shared or public, and then you can tap on the create button in the top right corner. It will enable, and you can simply create a new list. So that's basically that how you can do this. Let's say I choose this place, this list, and then I click on the done in the top right corner, and now it is saved. So that's basically that how you can do this. So to see the save locations on Google Map, you have to go back, and you can, let's say I cut this app, and when I again open the apps, then you can see the all these options in the most bottom: explore, go, saved. Click on the save button in the middle, and here you can see the want to go list, your lists. So click on the want to go list, and here you can see your saved locations. So that's it, that how you can do this. So that if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.